Hey there, in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and get OBS Studio set up for recording your screen. It's pretty straightforward. First, you need to grab the installer. Good news is it's totally free. If you have already installed it, skip that part. If not, just head over to the official OBS Studio website, obsproject.com/download. Click the Download Installer button. Once that finishes downloading, click the installer file and follow the steps. Usual drill, as you know. After it's installed, go ahead and open OBS Studio. You might see the Setup helper pop up automatically. If you don't, you can find it under the Tools menu as Auto Configuration Wizard. Since we're just focusing on recording your screen today, pick the option that says something like Optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. OBS will figure out the best settings based on your screen and computer. It will ask for video settings. Leave base canvas resolution as it is. For FPS, choose less if your system is not that powerful like mine. I go for 30 FPS and click Next. When it's ready, click Apply Settings. Now, let's get a scene set up so we can actually record something. Look for the Scenes box down near the bottom left and click the little plus icon there. Give your new scene a name, something simple like Screen Recording. Then, right next to that, in the Sources box, click the plus icon again. Choose Display Capture from the list. Give that a name too, like Full Screen. Pick the display you want to record, like I choose Primary Monitor. Choose how you want to capture it. I leave it as automatic. You can also turn off Capture Cursor if you don't want cursor during recording. Hit OK. To make sure the preview fills the window properly, right-click inside the preview area, go down to Transform, and pick Fit to Screen. Next, we should check a few key settings. Click on the Settings button down in the bottom right corner, then go to the Output section. Make sure the output mode is set to Simple. Increase the video bitrate if you want to around 3000. While you're here, you can also choose where you want your recordings saved by changing the recording path. For the recording format, choose MKV, because it is lossless and can be converted to other formats easily. For video encoder, if you happen to have a dedicated GPU, select hardware. But if you are like me, choose software for low CPU usage preset. It will run smoothly, but increase the file size. Now hop over to the Video tab. Set both the base and output resolution to 1280 by 720. For the FPS, pick 30. You can increase both if you have a better system than mine. Then, under the Audio tab, make sure your microphone and desktop audio devices are selected correctly. For both, I leave it default for now. Finally, under Hotkeys, you can set up keys to start and stop your recording. Pick whatever keys you find easy to remember. I choose F1 to start and stop recording. Once you're done making changes here, click Apply, then OK. Time for a quick test. Minimize the OBS window. Hit your Start Recording button. Let's open a Chrome browser and then shut it down. Hit Stop Recording. To find your MKV and MP4 videos, just go to the folder you set as the recording path earlier. And that's really all there is to it. Hope this walkthrough helped you get OBS set up for screen recording. If you found it useful, subscribing to the channel would be awesome. Give the video a like too if you don't mind. Feel free to drop a comment saying liked as well. I always appreciate hearing that and try to say thanks.